Good morning, students. Today we will discuss and learn how to prepare ledger accounts with the help of cash book. So I have taken a question. You see illustration 4 of DK Goel, and with the help of illustration 4, a double column cash book has been drawn, and with the help of that cash book, see how we will prepare a ledger account, different ledger account. So first of all, in cash book, you can see debit side, check in hand is written. So we have to prepare check in hand account. See how the treatment will come in check in hand account. Treatment is written in debit side and amount is written in bank column. So some simple journal entry will be there, that is bank account debit to check in hand. So in check in hand account, a very simple treatment will come in credit side, and that is by bank account. Okay. Now next is April 16, it is written to BR. So that means we have to prepare BR account, bills receivable account, and you can see treatment is written bank account debit to BR. So very simple treatment will come in credit side, that is by bank account, and amount will come 4,950. Okay, and amount of check in hand was 25,000. Okay, now next you can see in debit side to Mahesh is written. So we will prepare Mahesh account, and we will convert the treatment in journal entry, and that is bank account debit to Mahesh, and simple treatment will come in credit side, that is by bank account, and amount is 8,850. Treatment from cash book to ledger is very simple. Now after this you can see Dinesh is written, so we have to prepare Dinesh account, and amount is written in cash column. So we will convert this particular posting into journal entries, and that is cash account debit to Dinesh. So in Dinesh account, credit side by cash account will come. Okay, and amount will come 4,800. Now after this cash is written, there is no need to prepare cash account as well as bank account, because already we are preparing cash book, and in cash book we have both column cash as well as bank. So no need to prepare cash account as well as bank account. Okay, and next is written sales account. So we will prepare sales account, and the treatment is in bank column 25,000. So by bank account 25,000 will come. Now we will see few treatments which are written in payment side. Okay. Now see, on April 10 it is written by Anil. So there is a need of preparation of Anil's account. First of all, we will convert the treatment into journal entry. Anil debit to bank. So when Anil account will be debited and to bank account, the treatment will come in debit side to bank account, and we are paying 10,000 rupees. So 10,000 will come in amount column. After this, by bank charges is written. So that means we have to prepare bank charges account, and we will convert the treatment into journal entries. Bank charges account debit to bank. So in bank charges account to bank account, treatment will come in debit side and amount 20 rupees. Next, we can see by Vikas is written. So we have to prepare Vikas account, and amount is written in bank column. So journal entry will be Vikas debit to bank, and treatment will come in debit side to bank account. Amount is 8,000. Okay. Next is X and company, and amount is written in bank column. So we will prepare X and company's account, and X and company debit to bank. So to bank account 9,800 amount will come. Now next is contra entry. No need to write, no need to prepare any separate ledger for cash as well as bank. Next treatment is written interest. So there is a need of preparation of interest account. And you can see amount is written in bank column. So interest account debit to bank, treatment will come in debit side to bank account 2,500 rupees. Next, you can see purchase is written. So we will prepare purchase account. And again, you can see treatment is written in bank column. So purchase account debit to bank account, amount will come 20,000. So like this, we will prepare ledgers with the help of cash book, and it is very simple to prepare. You just practice all the questions related with it. Thank you very much.